Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl T back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be making coasters using the diamond painting technique. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please consider sticking around by smashing that subscribe button, crushing that like button, sharing out the video to tell others about me, as I do love interacting with you all. For my returning members and subscribers, welcome back, fam. Welcome back, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into this thing. I am going to share my extra camera with you all so you all can see exactly what we have going on. So y'all, if you have been following me for any length of time, you know that we like to diamond paint on this channel as well, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm just adjusting this so that you'll be able to see very, very good. So this is called a dog diamond painting coaster set. And I did get this from Amazon, of course. And I will leave a link in the description box below in case you decide that you want to also give this a try, okay? So they give you little diamond painting tools. They give you the wax, they give you some bags, and they give you a tray, okay? They also give you the colors of rhinestones, which are flatbacks that you will need, okay? They give you a corkboard backing, and then they also give you the tray holder for your coasters. So these feel like, yeah, they are. These are acrylic, excuse me. So you have this one, you have this one, you have that one. Super cute. Super cute. And I'm just quickly running through, showing you guys the different variations of little doggies that we have. These do come in cats. I also think I saw some birds. Don't quote me on the birds. This is the one I'm going to do because I have two daredevils for Frenchies, okay? So this is the one that I am going to do. It resembles my Frenchies. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just put this stuff back down in here like so. And normally they give you a what am I looking for? What's the word I'm looking for? Normally they give you a sheet on what stones go with what. Let's see if I can. Oh, they're labeled on here, so they didn't give you a actual color coding pack this time. Okay, or picture. I'm just gonna set this right here. So the colors that we need on this are going to be F, G, B, and J. F, B, G, and J. So let's pull those colors out. Let's see. I'm just going to only keep out the colors that we need. Grab these scissors right here. And I'm just going to cut on the line. So we need B, F, G, and then you just kind of put everything back in your little box, and that way, that's F. Must be need a lot of F's because they gave you two of them. And then we need a G and a J. Okay. Yep, and a J. So I'm just merely cutting off what I need, and then we're going to move the rest of this stuff out of our way. Okay. I'm just going to sit this on the desk to the side of us. Those are what we have. This is our little, that's a regular rhinestone right there. Or not. Okay. So we're going to open up our tray. And this is similar to blinging regular rhinestones, if you will. The only difference is that this, it gives you a different type of like sticky glue, so to speak. But ultimately it is the same like blinging. Okay. All right, so we're going to use these instead of that bling thingy there. Take off your acrylic piece, if I can find it, y'all. I feel it on there. There we go. All right, so you just kind of scrape it up till you get it, and then you're going to pull this off. Now, if you were not to finish this for some reason in one sitting, then you would save that piece of paper there to, of course, what's the word I'm looking for? To, of course, come back to it later. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with the bees. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start with the bees. And what I'm going to do is just cut this off. I don't have my trash can right here beside me, so I'm just going to kind of put it off to the side. Okay. And you guys may or may not have a great view yet, but if you'll give me a few, I will get you there. Okay. All right. So that's B. And then you just kind of shake them along in this tray here. And I think I'm going to try and pull you guys down just a little closer. There we go. Okay. And it looks upside down in the camera. So let me try and see if I can. Nope, that's me upside down now. Okay, let me see if I can. Let's take those off. And y'all, me and this camera. Hold on, guys. There we go. Okay. Let me get y'all up a little bit. Okay. There we go. All right. Oops. Okay. There we go. So I got y'all where y'all are not looking at it upside down. And let me just bring it in a little closer. And here we go, y'all. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started. This is pre-recorded. And today is Thursday. I don't know if you guys are going to see this video today or not. It depends on if I get finished. But actually, y'all, these are going on super, super cute. And it kind of depends on like how long it'll take you to finish a project. What I'm going to do is I have a couple. Oh, did I not pick up any? I did. I do have like a couple that are really big, and I'm going to take them to Michael's when I get enough of them, because I don't believe in taking 3 or 4 at a time. We're gonna go big or go home, so that I can have them framed, and then I'm going to put them in my new studio. I am going to move the studio outside of the house. Like, guys, I've really outgrown the space that I have. So when we move, either we're going to get a house where I'm gonna have a lot of space, or I'm just gonna go ahead and have to get a studio. So there is that. Okay. But hopefully this won't take us very long. Hopefully it won't take us very, very long. This does have like a different type of texture to it than a regular diamond painting. I don't know how to, this almost feels kind of jelly-like, so to speak. That's the only term I can think of. It does feel very jelly-ish like. But this is, I think, going to be super cute. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a good bit of this, and then I'm going to come back in sections and let you guys see it, okay? All right, y'all. So I am finished with the ears, okay? Looking super cute. So I'm going to keep trucking, and probably I'll come back when it's almost done, hopefully. Okay, y'all. So I wanted to give y'all a quick update. So the only thing we have left is the eyebrows, the eyes, the nose, and in here. So let's get this thing finished up, and I'll be back when we're done. All right, y'all. Not too shabby. We are done with the oh, my voice cracking. We are done with this part of the blinging. Look how cute that is. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our cork, okay, our cork, and we're going to line it up. So you pull it off like this, okay? And then you are going to, y'all, this is kind of weird, but I don't know. Oh, I guess to protect the surface on the bottom, okay, on the back, to give it some stability. So that's what it looks like on the back. Then you would set it down. Move this out your way. You would set your coaster down like so, okay? Wow. I like that, y'all. I like that, okay? So, it's been real, y'all. Super, super cute project. Something nice and fun to do. I love it, okay? Look how super cute that is. But I've enjoyed my time hanging out with you guys. Until next time, peace, be blessed, stay crafty. I'm your girl T, and I'm out. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.